quick update on the 67. Most of the sanding and buffing is done. As you can see, I'm still working on the front fenders. It's just easier to hang them on the car and do because I don't really have a good set of stands to hold them in place. Definitely gonna work on building something though. The hood's just about ready. I'm gonna go do a final buff on it. The other fender's kind of at the same point. I started sanding on the top. I still need to sand the bottom. Buff tomorrow. Really happy with all the panel alignment. Gaps came out really nice. Get the vents in. Everything's kind of dirty and covered in dust from buffing some of the other panels. I just finished buffing the trunk. Really happy with how the trunk came out. The rear valance fitment I'm not happy with. I have another one I'm going to rework and put on. I just can't get the gaps right on this one, so it'll get hung up on the wall for now. But hopefully I'll have this thing wrapped up tomorrow, with the exception of the rear valance. Finish sanding and buffing the front fenders. Take care of the front valance, the headlight buckets, the stone guard. Get all that stuff installed tomorrow, and next weekend swap out the rear valance, and this one is done and going back to the customer.